Hello guys, welcome back to Lytical Preps. Please, if today is your first time on visiting our channel, kindly subscribe so that we all enjoy more tricky questions together. Thank you for doing that. So today we are solving for C. If square root of C plus C is equal to 2. So with this, from here we can decide to square both sides of the equation. Okay, or simplify this and square it. So from here you can get square root of C is equal to 2 minus C, like this. So squaring both sides, like this. Okay, now looking at algebra, we have A minus B all squared, and this expression gives us A squared minus 2AB plus B squared. Okay, so now our equation now becomes, you see, this square will cancel the square root, leaving C is equal to, now this expression can get 2 squared minus 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by C. Okay, then our B is the C here, so plus C squared. Now C is equal to, now 2 squared, we are getting 4 minus 2 times 2, which is 4. Okay, times C, which is 4C plus C squared. Now, let's group all the terms in one side. So we can get C squared minus 4C plus 4 minus C is equal to 0. Now, to simplify things, we have C squared. Now, 4C minus C, we are getting minus 5C. Then, plus our 4, which is equal to 0. Okay. Now, this has become a quadratic equation. So, let's solve this using the quadratic formula. Now, our A is 1, B is 5, negative 5, sorry. Our C is 4. So, we have C is equal to minus B plus or minus square root of B squared minus 4AC all 2A. So, which is equal to minus into brackets minus 5 plus or minus square root of minus 5 squared minus 4 multiplied by 4 times 1 all on 2 multiplied by 1, which is equal to 5. This will be 5 plus or minus, so square root of 5 square, which is 25, 4 times 4, which is 16, times 1, which is minus 16, all over 2, which is equal to 5 plus or minus, when you subtract this, we are getting 9. So square root of 9 on 2, so which is equal to 5 plus or minus 3, because square root of 9 is 3 on 2. So now our C is equal to 5 plus 3 on 2, and then in our case 2, we have C is equal to 5 minus 3 on 2. So let's have this first. So C, with this, we get C is equal to 5 plus 3, which is 8 on 2. So our C is equal to 4. In this case, then here, our C is equal to 5 minus 3, we are getting 3 on 2. So it means that our C is equal to 1. So now we have two answers and we need to test or verify to see which one satisfies the equation. So let us verify. Let's start with the first case. So case 1, C is equal to 4. So having square root of 4 plus 4 is it equal to 2? And now square root of 4 is 2 plus 4 is it equal to 2? 2 plus 4 is 6, and 6 isn't equal to 2. Okay, so we reject this solution. So C is not equal to 4 in this case. And then let's see when this C is equal to 1. You have square root of 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Is it equal to 2? Square root of 1 is 1. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. 1 plus 1 is 2, and 2 is equal to 2. So it's correct. So it means that our C is equal to 1 in this case. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more. Bye bye.